Hello, boys and girls. It's math time, and today we are looking at problem solving. How do we solve word problems? Well, I have found that one of the best ways to do problem solving is using cubes. And what does these letters stand for? I know that we've looked at it in the previous weeks, but let's just recap. C means circle the numbers. U means underline the question. B, box in those key words. E, evaluate and draw. S, solve and then check. Let's put these steps to practice. "92 seagulls were standing in the sand. 48 of them flew away. How many seagulls were left in the sand?" Well, let's use cubes. Step 1, circle the numbers. Step 2, underline the question sentence. The question sentence is, very good. How many seagulls were left in the sand? Do we have any keywords there that will help us to know what we're going to do? You are correct. Left. Now, let's evaluate and draw. I'm not really going to draw, but let's just use something to demonstrate the story. First, we had 92 seagulls in the sand. 48 of them flew away. So from this 92, 48 flew away. So what took place here? Did we add another 92 seagulls here? Or did we take away another 48 from the 92? The correct answer is take away. And left also means take away. So let's set it up and solve. Starting from the ones column. 2 take away 8. As we know, 2 is too small to take away 8. So that means we have to go to the next column and rename it as 8. We're going to take that one group of 10, break it up into tiny ones, and rename 2 as 12. Now, 12 take away 8. The difference is 4. Very good. 8 take away 4 is 4. And so 92 take away 48 leaves us with 44 seagulls. Excellent. Let's move on. There are 202 cards in Tom's deck and 42 cards in Ben's deck. How many cards does Tom have than Ben? Well, let's start with circle the numbers. Next, we're going to underline the question, which is, how many more cards does Tom have than Ben? What's the next step? We're going to look for some keywords to help us. Do you see any? If you said how many more, you are correct. Now, let's evaluate with some pictures, shall we? This is Tom's deck. Tom has 202 cards in this deck. This is his 202 cards. Here we have Ben's deck. He only has 42. The question is, how many more cards does Tom have than Ben? So that means we have to figure out how much more is this so that he would be equal to Tom. What does how many more mean? Subtract. Very good. So let's set it up. 202 take away 42. Let's begin with the ones column. 2 take away 2 equals 0. 0 cannot take away 4. So that means we have to rename our 2 in the hundreds column as 1 and break up that 100 that we removed into 10 tens and give it over to the tens column. So now we have 10 take away 4. 10 take away 4 equals 6. Then, because we have nothing there to take away from the 1, we will bring the 1 down. And that means that the difference between Tom's stack of cards and Ben's stack of cards is 160. Well, I hope that helps you today, and I hope that you understand a little bit better how to do subtraction with renaming. Check out the last slide to see what pages you can do in your book for practice. Bye! Be sure to check out your Bahamas Primary Mathematics Workbook, Book 3, specifically pages 38 and 39. They have excellent practice questions on subtraction with renaming.